Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Love with Food. This is their tasting box. Card on the inside says better every day. And it looks like it's packed with yummy stuff. So right on top we have 100% fruit bar. This is wild berry flavor fruit snack. I love stuff like this. Jackson's not a fan, but I bet Raylan would eat that. Also have beech nut quinoa crispies, and this is vanilla. And again, another something that Raylan would eat. These boxes always turn into like my kids' boxes, except for I'm starting to see a lot of things in here for me. I'm going to start here. These are tangy ranch seasoned almonds. I am so excited for these. Of course I love ranch, but I eat almonds every single day. So this is awesome. I have never tried these before. I normally eat like the wasabi kind or the vinegar kind. They're my favorite, but I bet those are going to be delicious. It's another one of my favorite snacks. I love seaweed. It is so good. So this is wasabi flavored. They're lightly roasted. They're so good. I love them. Then we have biscotti. I haven't had that in ages either. Cool. Nice little chocolate snack with my coffee. Then we have a sweet and salty little peanut bar. That looks good. Gluten-free, vegan. Have had these before. These are delicious. Lemon snackaroon. So those are really good. And then last we have some jalapeno lime chips. Late July Snacks is the brand, made with organic yellow corn. Yum! This was a really good box this month. Probably one of my favorite that I've had in a long time. Lots of my favorite snacking stuff, but ones I haven't tried before, so cool. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.